Hello and welcome to AttributePro. Today we are going to discover the new app, AttributePro Cart and Line Props. AttributePro simplifies dynamic cart and product customization for your store. Easily add cart attributes and line properties with single or multiple conditions, even at the same time. No coding is required. During this video, I will guide you through the installation process and the configuration of the app. So let's install the app, and if you didn't yet, use the link below in the description. After installing the app, you are welcomed by the onboarding that explains to you how to configure the app, how to create a cart attribute, and will guide you to activate a plan before starting to use the app. You can also go to the billing page and choose any plan. With any plan, you will have a 7-day free trial period where you can test the full version of the app without any cost. After approving the app charge, you will be redirected again to the index page of the AttributePro. Now you can complete the onboarding and you are ready to start using AttributePro. Time to configure an attribute for our store. Let's say that we want to add an attribute when the cart is greater than a certain amount. Click here on Add Attribute. As you can see, there are two options, one for cart attribute and one for line item properties. For this tutorial, we will choose cart attribute. First, fill the title of the attribute. It's to help us what this attribute does. It's not visible to the customers, it's only for internal use. For example, expensive cart. In the condition field, you can choose from the drop-down menu, what is the condition that fit better for your scope. In our example, we choose cart total. Now we define with more detail what the function needs to verify. In our example, if the cart is greater than 100, then in this field we will have an attribute that we call expensive, and the key value is true. Now save, and you have just created your first cart attribute. If you go back on the dashboard, here it is. You can see the attribute in the list and already active. Now you need to activate the team extension to have the cart attribute working. Let's click on the button, Activate Extension. Here on the left you can see the extension already active. Now save and we can test it on into our store. Open your store and try, for example, to add some products to the cart with an amount over 100. Proceed with the checkout, fill in our data to proceed with the check, and now send our order. Perfect. So the order is being sent. Now let's go back to our store. On the left, click Orders and verify the attribute. You can see the order, and here there is the attribute expensive equal to true, exactly as we set the attribute. Now we try to have a value of only 30, so our cart is under the amount we specified in our rule. If we proceed through the checkout this time, you will see now that the order won't contain it. Fill with all the info and place the order. The order has been placed. Let's go back to the order section in our store. And as you can see, the attribute is missing because the value is under 100. Unleash the potential of your store with AttributePro Cart and Line Props. Transform customization effortlessly with captivating cart attributes and line properties. No coding needed. Remember to activate your 7-day free trial today to witness the full power of this app. Don't wait. Install AttributePro now and revolutionize your online shopping experience.